Today we will install the WhiteSource plugin for Maven. First, log into your WhiteSource account and click on the Integrate button. Scroll down and click on the Maven icon. Keep this page open, we will go back to it in a few moments. The Maven icon will take us to the WhiteSource Maven plugin documentation. Go to the Using the Plugin section. The given snippet here should be pasted into your parent POM XML file. Copy the snippet and open your POM XML file. Paste the snippet into the plugin section. Go back to the Integration API page kept open. Copy the API key and paste it into the POM XML file, where it says Your Organizational Token. Now save the file. Next, we will run the build. Open your command line shell. Go back to the WhiteSource Maven documentation and under the Execute the Plugin section, copy the mvn.whitesource:update command. Paste it into the open command line shell and execute. As it's running, it's sending updates to WhiteSource service. We can see the output shows build success. Go back to WhiteSource and hit the Home tab. On your WhiteSource dashboard, you can see that the inventory is synchronized and your data is uploaded. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.